Hello guys, welcome to Mooney Tales.
Yo काटा
जो काटा
जवार काटा
जवार काटा
बाजरी काटा
बाजरी काटा
बेसन
बेसन
हल्दी
हल्दी
नमक
नमक
चुटकी भर हींग
चुटकी भर हींग
हरा धनिया
हरा धनिया
और हरी मिर्ची
हरी मिर्ची का पेस्ट. Those ingredients will make some super Marathi traditional dish which we call thali pit. Knead the dough and then make it spread on soft cloth with the help of water. This is very authentic and very old recipe of Maharashtra. To fry the patas slash thali pit, we can use the authentic lokhandi tawa. Spread the pata on the lokhandi tawa, grease it with oil, serve delicious thali pit slash the patas with the homemade achar and curd. It is very delicious recipe to make. Happy winters. Bye bye.